Hey guys, I hope you're good. So today we are talking 5 easy ways to make money online. Without wasting any further time, let's get to it. One of the easy ways to make money online is via dropshipping. What I like about it, you can make almost unlimited. You can make money while you're sleeping. If you do it properly, you can make money while you're sleeping. Right? So how it's done is you don't hold physical stock, right? You just sell the stock online. You just you're gonna create a little site, and then once you're done with that site, then you direct people. It's like you are selling the product, but you are not really selling the product. So they'll be buying through your site, right? After buying through your site, then the admin of shipping, the admin of deliveries is not done by you. It's done by the supplier. You just put a price there. You're selling perfumes, you're selling whatever you can sell. It's been sold online, and they buy through your site. And then from there you make profit out of it. So it is a little bit. It will need a little bit of strategy. And I do understand, obviously, this information or probably this video is not going to be enough for you to fully understand the background of dropshipping, how it works, the pros and cons, how it's done, the platforms. So I'll also create a full video of how to create a dropshipping account, which site can you use, the strategy, and all that. So yeah. Another cool way to make money online is through digital marketing. You probably must have heard of digital marketing, or you probably heard few people talking about it. It's one of the trending ones. It's the new way of marketing. It just entails doing marketing online. You make use of emails, make use of social media, search engine optimization. It's not just online. You also need to learn how to do search engine optimization. You need to learn how to reach people or reach customers online. It's a very, very, very nice way to do marketing, and I think there's a lot of companies that are looking for it, and there's like little to nothing, like to none in terms of people who are doing it. So if you can master this, then you can make a lot and can make a lot of killing. So I'll also be doing a video about this. Definitely everything that I'm talking about, I'm making a full video from A to Z. What tools are you gonna need? What is it that you're gonna need? How your strategies and everything about it. So yeah, I'll be making videos about it as well. One of the known and underrated ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. I think a lot of people know about affiliate marketing. So what this one entails is that you just refer people, right? You just refer customers. So this one, some companies will pay you for referral. Some will pay you after somebody buys a product. Some will pay you after somebody registered on their site. So it can be anything. You can refer anything, like in terms of somebody buying a car, somebody buying a house, somebody getting a job. Like there's a lot of them. Like there's a lot of them. Even in gambling, like you can refer somebody, get it will give you some affiliate code, and then from there somebody joins via you. So yeah, I'll also be making a video of it, and then which side will also are offering, and then how much are they offering. There's some sites that they'll offer like $500 just to refer someone after they create after their first installments. They start paying. Some they pay through these installments as well, like you get like a percentage. So yeah, I'll also be making video about affiliate marketing. So yeah. Another one, resume design. You're talking about writing other people's CV. There are a lot of bad CVs out there, hey? And there are a lot of softwares that can help you. rewrite that CV. You get what I'm saying? There's a lot of people don't know how to write CV. You can offer that service. Resume design obviously it's about writing CVs, make them look nice, using latest tools. You get what I'm saying? So I'll also be doing a video of it, and also the free tools that you can use and the strategies. This new way of writing CVs than the old way. So yeah, I'll also be teaching you how to write a resume, how to redesign the resume. So yeah. Last but not least, print on demand. Pretty much easier, right? So you don't have to print anything. What I like about it, you don't have to print anything until somebody's orders. So it's all about you're just printing your t-shirts. Easy, right? Somebody requests to print the t-shirt, then they give you whatever they want to print on a t-shirt, and then you just do it. So you can either buy the machine or you can get somebody to do it for you. So I'll be making a video on this one as well, right? So the catch is you just advertise as somebody who prints t-shirts. You can print anything depending on if you have a printing machine, you'll know what your printing machine is doing. One of the latest ways of attracting people in terms of printing is 3D printing. You don't have to buy a 3D printer. You just have to find somebody who has that machine. You negotiate with them, and then from there they print for you. So I'll also be making a video of platforms that you can use, suppliers that you can use, and also a place where you can find those printing machines. Thank you for taking your precious time in watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share the video as well. If there is anything that you feel like I missed out or you don't understand, please let me know via the comments below. I'll see you in my next video.